Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can add another phone to Find My app on iPhone. Please subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes. Don't forget to write your comments after watching the video. And let's get started. First, I will advise you to go to your phone settings. Then click on your name and photo to come to Apple ID and here already Find My. Next, Find My iPhone, select it. And here you just need to make sure that you have the Find My app's geolocation location feature enabled on your iPhone. Once you've done that, you open Find My. And in order to share your location with some person, you tap on the plus sign. Next, share my location. Next, you select the person, for example, from your contact list or by typing in the name of the person you want to share your location with. If this contact you want to share your location with does not have the Find My app, then you will have the same window as me. So it is advisable to do it with a person who has this app. Then it will be much easier. So you've selected the person and then you click Send. And here you are asked to choose for how long you want to share your geolocation. 1 hour, 1 day, or until you turn it off. Once you choose a time, you will be notified that you have started sharing your location with a certain user, a certain contact. So that's how very simply you can add another some phone to the Find My app. On your iPhone, shares your location. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes and write your comments. See you soon, friends.